This is my inkjet printer. Nothing special about it. I use it every day to print off invoices and other stuff, as you can see by the regular paper at the back there. It runs on regular ink cartridges that you can buy off of eBay as cheap as chips. But today we're going to use it to print out the t-shirt designs. Yes, indeed we are. What magic is this, I hear you say? It can't be done, I hear others say. Not using standard printer ink, you can't do it. I hear others say. And yeah, in a way, you're all right. In a way, there are some questions that need to be answered, and it's not 100% perfectly, absolutely brilliant. But I will show you what I've done earlier, and washed, and how it came out. And I'll run you through the process of how you do it now. So, first things first, the disclaimer. I'm not sponsored, I've not been given these, I brought them as an ordinary, normal person. I had an order, I had to fill in some more stuff, and as you know I order a lot of stuff through MDP, and I had an order that wasn't quite high enough, so I just had to bump it up a little bit. So I saw these, and these are these sheets here, which are the Inkjet Garment film. You get two sorts, inkjet, light garments and dark garments. So you might have seen the video we done a little while back where we used the laser printer and we done one. So what we've done is, because my mate is still a cheapskate, I'm going to make him up a couple more, but I've used exactly the same design, so as you can see and you can compare, because obviously there's laser ones. But if you remember, with the laser ones we had the hassle of the carrier sheets, and then we had the other sheet that goes over the top and everything else like this. With these, they cost £3.95 for a pack of 10 in A4 size. So just over 39p per sheet. Now you've got two sides to the sheet. You've got the side which has got the, I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but it's got this product must not be used for copyrighted material, and then you've got the blank side. So what I did was I ran it through the inkjet on the plain side, so we printed onto the plain side, as you can see there, which is quite easy to do. And then you need the heat press, and that is it. There is no messing about with any kind of like carrier sheets, any kind of covers, anything else like that. It is literally, you print it off like that and off you go. If you look on the website where they list these, they do say it works best with the solvent ink or the pigment ink. I don't have either inks. I don't know what sort of ink I've got. It's just cheap as chips ink that came. You can buy 12 for I think I paid something like £8 for a pack of 12. So that's what we've got here, and the press is just warming up. We'll get the press warmed up and then we will press these, and I'll show you what we've got then. Okay, so the heat on these is 175 degrees Celsius, and it needs a press time of 15 seconds. It does ask that you do the preheat press prior to it going in, which is what you would do anyway normally. So load your t-shirt in, Teflon sheet on, and we just give her a press for a couple of seconds. God bless, you can see the steam coming off of that. Okay, so if you're dealing with a customer, it might be mega important that you have to have everything straight. I'm dealing with a cheapskate, so it's not that important. He knows it's not that important. So we're lining it up face down, so the printed side going down, placing the sheet over, the Teflon sheet over the top. Oh, squeaky. Okay, the pressure on this is quite light. I I can press it down, like that. So it isn't quite light, it's medium high. And we'll press the start button 15 seconds. Okay, there we go. Actually turn it off, and it is a warm peel. So with it still there, peel it straight off. And there you go. That's what comes off on your sheet. And let me bring you in. I'll show you that is what is on your t-shirt. So it's quick, it's easy, and it's very, very simple. Now you might be sat there thinking, yeah, but as soon as you put that through the wash, that's just going to go, you're just going to lose everything. So what I've done is I've done a Blue Peter styling, and I've done here's one I made earlier. Now this is one I've done in colour. Can you guess I've done it in colour? And I added the rainbow element to it in Photoshop. And then once I'd pressed it, I put it through the washing machine on a quick wash. Nothing major, just the quick wash that it does in about an hour or so. And you can see that yes, it has started to fade. There are areas that are fading, that are going. It was actually brighter than that when it was done, but it's had the wash. You can also see, I'm not sure if you can make it out, but there is a difference between here and here. And you can see there is the line of the outline of the stencil that can go all the way around. So it does recommend that you don't dry clean these, you don't do any kind of like a tumble drying, and the maximum heat is 40 degrees C. Yeah, there you go, you can see it quite clearly there, the line between the two bits. So it looks as if it places like a cover over the top of the inkjet, but they come out quite well, not too bad at all. It isn't anything I would want to use for, how can I describe it, real customers that want a top quality product. But if you have like a person who's a bit of a cheapskate, they only want them because it's going to be used once, it's going to be done at a stag do, it's for a running group just to use once to run somewhere, or the people are going to wear them and they're going to get themselves covered in mud and dirt and God knows what else, then yeah, it's ideal. It's a quick, cheap, easy way that can be done, and we done it on just an ordinary inkjet printer. Nothing special at all. So yeah, if you like the video, give us a like. If you didn't like it, let us know why. Leave us a comment down below, and yeah, subscribe, like, share, tell your mates. And until the next video, and bye-bye from my squeaky heat press as well.